Sige, pag-usapan natin ang general signs nating mnemonics. Okay? Sige, ibilisan lang natin. Ang PSEB po, ito po yung organization ng ating um, ah, tag dito, classification of organization. Okay? Population, community, ecosystem, and biosphere. Okay? Again, a population interacts with another, it creates community, and community interacts with non-living, it is now ecosystem, and ecosystem next is biosphere. Next, Gaphis this is embryo is being formed. Gametes, fertilization, zygotes, cleavage, embryo. Etong chon naman po, most abundant element in the human body. LBM naman po, this is bone to bone, ligaments, and then muscle to bones, tendons. CPLFB, hydrophilic, that's carbohydrates and proteins, hydrophobic, fats. BF ko bading sir, BFB, fission, bacteria, bading, corals, starfish, regeneration. C2SO, cell, tissues, organ systems, organisms. It's if cells work together, it creates tissue. Tissues work together, it creates organs. Organs work together to solve a problem, it creates system. And there, you create the organism. Promat, ano yan? The phases of mitosis. Okay, unahan mo ko. Anong isip first? Water cycle. Sabihan mo yan. Layers of the atmosphere. Trosmite. Okay? If-top. Ano yung if-top? Ito yung scientific method steps. Okay? Identify the problem, formulate the hypothesis, test the hypothesis, analyze the results, formulate the conclusion. Ano ang lima? If-top. Scientific method. Okay? Pag naman po Tripamse, ages of the earth naman to, Precambrian, Paleolithic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Again, Precambrian, Paleolithic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Pitiha si India, tawag sa storm. Pacific, typhoon. Hurricane, Americas. Sea, cyclones, India. M2L1G S1F, M2 glucose, L1G galactose, S1 fructose. Okay? Apeman, atomic number is equal to protons and electrons. How to get the neutron? Mass number minus atomic number. Okay, next. WinCore. WinCore, that is organic, cellulose, inorganic, that is water. And then universal solvent, water. And then products of photosynthesis, that's glucose and oxygen, photogo. Products of cellular respiration, that is carbon, ATP, and water. Ano naman yung pros? Scientific, scientific assertion. That's provisional. R for replicable. O for objective. S for systematic. E for empirical. Okay? So now, we will have the drill from the top without anything on your screen.